Hi guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we have news, and the news is actually coming from the guys at Render People. Not so long ago we talked about Render People, where you can get highly realistic models that you can use for your architectural project and for so many other things. And today we have an update. So the guys at Render People has just released 4 new completely free scan 3D people model that you can use for free. So this now totally makes a number of 9. So let's go ahead and see. So we have about 9 free models that you can use, and these models can be used in any form, in any shape that you want. The models are being offered in various file formats, which you can actually find, and you can also see that they're all UV'd and they all have about 8K worth of textures. And you know, these are crazy stuff that you can use to achieve that sense of realism when you're working with your model. Of all the free models, there are actually 3 posed, there are also 3 rigged models, and there are also 3 animated people, which simply means that depending on what scenario that you're working with, you can go ahead, pick these things up and use them. And each of the rigged models includes skeletons that you know you can actually work with. We've already talked about this in the previous video, and you can also go ahead and re-optimize these things and use them for motion capture and all that stuff. And if you're looking for where you can find a whole lot more models, you can go over to the 3D people shop, where you'll be able to find very detailed models that you can use. I think they have way more than 3,200 models that you can find within their product line on their online shop. You can find them here. Very highly realistic things that you can use for your project. And just in case you're feeling excited, you can come through, download these free ones, use them for your project, and probably get some more that you can use depending on the use case that you're looking forward to. These are highly required models that can actually put some spice in your project. And so if you want to jump in and get these free models, link is going to be in the description, so you can go ahead, grab these models for yourself and use them for whatever that you want. These models is free, which simply means that you can use them for both personal and commercial projects. And it's also worth knowing that the 3D models have been retopologized into quads, which simply means that they are actually the best kind of things that you would want to get in your animation pipeline, or let's say if you want to use them for games. And if you want to download one of these models, all you need to do is just simply click on one of them, select the file type that you like or the one that you prefer at any point, and go ahead and download these things for free. And so that's going to be about it, guys. Do you make use of 3D people? What 3D models do you use? I think you should try this, and you would be really excited that you actually incorporated one of these amazing models into your project. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and also turn on notification. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing if you can hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.